Alright YouTube, so I just decided to come up with this idea. I have my black Amazon Basics fan right here. And behind it, I have my little mini swamp cooler slash AC air conditioner. And I'm actually going to turn this into a bigger air conditioner. And we're going to see if it'll work. Everything is hooked up. Got some water in the little swamp cooler, so I'm going to reach behind here, turn on the fan. I accidentally melted the plastic on it, so it's kind of weird. And I'm going to turn on the swamp cooler and see how everything works. Will it cool down everything? Let's see. Okay, maybe I should put behind the fan. Okay, the fan's blowing cold air at the moment, or hot air at the moment. Alright, so we're blowing hot air at the moment. Oh, I can see part of it is actually blowing cold. So, I'm going to tilt my swamp cooler. So I'm going to leave the fan like that. And it should start blowing cold air. And I should be able to make a little much better air conditioner with two items. My little swamp cooler plus my desk fan. And there's cyan light coming out of the swamp cooler. And hopefully this... Oh, it's already blowing cold air in, though not all the way, so I'm going to angle. Maybe I should angle it inward, that way it fully blows inward. And with just a little tweaking, I think I have something that's trying to resemble an air conditioner. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.